Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do a quick activity and then we're going to do some calendar. So let's get started. All right, so we're doing ocean animals this week. So we're looking right now, plants in the ocean and animals in the ocean. So down here, we're going to sort, is it a plant or is it an animal? This is called kelp. Which one is this? That's a plant. Good. You can find that in the ocean. This is a sea fan. You can find that. It's a plant in the ocean. Good. How about fish? Fish are animals, right? They go here. Great. How about a shark? Shark is an animal in the ocean. It goes there. Good. How about algae? Algae is a plant. Good. How about a seahorse? That's an animal in the ocean. Good. What a big word. This is phytoplankton. These are very, very tiny plants. Sea sponge is a plant. Whale is a animal. Good. Crab is a animal. Great. I think we sorted that 100% right. Great job. Awesome. So now let's go into our calendar. We're going to start with the days of the week, right? We always start with days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Wednesday. What's today? Today is Thursday. Great. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Great. Great job. Now let's do our months of the year. We always start with January, right? Okay. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. The new month is called June. Great work. June. What does June start with? What letter? J. That's right. June starts with J. J, U, N, E. Awesome job. All right, now it's time to count. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Filling in the missing number. It looks like this. Awesome job. Let's do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Great. Nice job, you guys. If today's the 4th, or number 4, tomorrow will be number 5. Good. All right, now let's do the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? What's the weather? Whoa. Today's weather, it looks super sunny outside. I don't see any clouds. So I'm going to say it's sunny. Good. The weather today is sunny. Great. And I think it's going to be hot today. Let's check the temperature. The temperature today is, whoa, it's already 77 degrees. What does 77 look like? 7, 7, 77 degrees. Remember that little degrees sign? So I would say it's almost 80 degrees. I would say 77 feels hot. Hot. If it's hot outside, what should we wear? If it's hot, we should wear a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. A t-shirt. Good. If it's hot outside, should we wear long pants or shorts? We should wear shorts. Good. Cool. And sometimes when it's hot, you can wear flip-flops or sandals. Great job. Let's do the season really quickly. 4 seasons are what? Let's look down here. Fall, winter, spring, and summer. Or if we remember our song, winter, spring, summer, and fall. Just a different order, but it's still the same seasons. The season is still spring, right? Because remember, summer is on June 20th, so it's not summer yet. It's still spring. All right, let's say the whole date, okay? Today is Thursday. What is the month? June. What's the number? 4th, 2020, right? And the weather today is sunny. The temperature today is hot. The season is spring. And let's go over what we could wear today. T-shirt, shorts, sandals. Great job, you guys. I hope you have a good day. It's going to be hot outside, so keep cool. Bye.